days are we in?
Day 2.5. Which is day 2.5. So almost 3 days.
Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. Well, this is our house number 23, and we're into 3 days.
Yeah.
Into our third day of work, and this is how far we've got. This is a work in progress, obviously. We just went down to the port to take our friend Brian down there, and at the same time we picked up another, was that 4 or 5 pieces that we bought of the 10-foot pieces of corrugated iron. So much for being able to do a house like this for $150. Yeah, quite. Okay, so let's have a look around the house. Hey, Patty. Are they helping you, Patty? Patty, they're helping me?
Yeah, the sun. Yeah, and then they're gonna do the kitchen over here.
Oh, okay.
They're gonna do the frame for the kitchen.
By the tree?
Yeah. No, here. Just this side. They're gonna connect it.
Under here?
Yeah. Just a little overhang.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's take a quick look at the house that we're replacing. And we had a few well-meaning subscribers who suggested that we should leave this house and not knock it down. Well, this house is about to fall down. Look, all of this is rotten, and whether it's my imagination or not, it has seemed to get even worse since we first saw it. It really looks like it's about to fall down any minute. So, no, we're not leaving this house. No. Better to fall down. Better for us to knock it down than for it to fall down on someone. Okay, especially as there are so many children. And that's the mama. Tiny little thing that she is. Oh boy. Well, we will be in the process of putting in the kitchen, which is a dirty kitchen with an outside porch and seated area, which you can see with that extra big hangover. Okay, well, this is a foreigner in the Philippines, house number 23. Thanks for looking in. Bye for now.